The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway built between 1879 and 1881. It is about 88 kilometers long. It is a 600 mm gauge railway. The trains runs between New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling in Indian state of Western Bengal. It climbs from about 100 meters above sea level at New Jalpaiguri to about 2200 meters at Darjeeling, using 6 zigzags and 5 loops to gain altitude. 6 diesel locomotives handle the most of the scheduled service. The railway headquarters are at Kurseong. The railway was built by the British engineer Franklin Prestige, and it is operated by North East Frontier Railway. It is opened by 1879 and 14 stations from New Jalpaiguri to Darjeeling. It is a mountain railway of India. On 1999, December 2, the UNESCO declared the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway a World Heritage Site. The site became known as one of the most beautiful mountain railway of India. In 1910, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway carried 1,74,000 passengers and 47,000 tons of goods. The Batista Loop was constructed in 1990, creating easier gradient on the ascent from Darjeeling. In 1934, a major earthquake in the Bihar shocked all of the northeast India. The earthquake affected the railway. During World War II, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway transported military personnel and supplies to the camps around the Goom, Darjeeling. Batisa Loop is 5 kilometers from Darjeeling, below Goom. There is a monorail to Gurkha soldiers of the Indian Army who sacrificed their lives after Indian independence in 1947. The loop has panoramic view of Darjeeling with the Kanchenjunga and other snow-capped mountains in the background.